Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's our third day in Colombia, and today it's like a no movement day for the car that we have.
Yep, no driving day.
Because the license plate here, I think the end number of a license plate, I think you have a day that you can't drive. So today is our non-movement day.
That
we can't drive our car. So what do you have to do now? We're on foot.
Yeah, we're basically just walking around the neighborhood.
So we're walking around the neighborhood. We're gonna explore the neighborhood and see what's going on. Over there selling lychee. What do you want to say, Sata?
Then if we're not driving, how come those people are driving in their cars?
Because they have another type of license plate than what we have. So they can drive.
Oh.
They go by license plate. So we're just gonna explore the neighborhood and see what's going on. You wanna go this way or that way, Station? Alright, let's go this way. Guys selling lychee over there. Alright, so let's go this way. Oh, this is a river here. Well, people live on the underpass in any country.
Look at all that water that is.
I know, it's a lot of water.
Why is it rising down there?
I don't know, it's a kind of, it smells like sewage though. Something like sewage mixing, but I don't know. It's going under the bottom there.
Yeah, it's so weird.
Alright, let's go this way.
Yep.
We're gonna go this way and go all the way across. It's like all the wastewater gather in this thing.
Yeah.
The wastewater drainage. So it's a pretty green area over here.
Why are people naked? Why do we...
Look. Because you don't want to wear any shirt today.
Huh?
You don't want to wear any shirt today.
Because they're hot?
Yes, it's hot and you don't want to wear any shirt today. That's what I'm thinking. I didn't ask him, but I figure that's what it is.
People are naked.
Yeah, you can't walk because you have to wait until it changes.
Like we're waiting for the light.
So we're walking along the little canal here. Canal? Oh, I guess it's like a park as well because I see people over there. Oh, look at mango trees. Same thing. Just imagine if it was mango time, I would be, you know, getting some mango. No mangoes on the tree now. It's like what, springtime now? Down here. Oh, the birds are here.
Where?
Yeah.
Where?
The pigeons.
Oh, pigeons!
Yeah, the pigeons are here. So we're on the underpass and a little track, but it seems like it's a park here. It's very green. People chilling or living over there, I don't know which one. People chilling, taking a little break. A lot of bikes. Seems like it's a bus terminal over here, and for the metro, because people could walk up there. So that a bus here, some shops out here. You want to go down the street right here, or you want to go across there?
I don't know.
You want to go this way? Okay, we can want to go that way. So we're gonna go this way and see what's going on over there. If you go on the metro, you have no car today. We could go on the metro.
I know. Go on the metro to where? We don't even know where we're going.
Yeah. Well, it will come back. Take it to someplace.
Well, I guess we could find a grocery store. We could find
You want to do that?
store and then get some water and some food.
Oh, you want me to find the supermarket around here?
Walk around, yeah.
Okay, let's do that. So this is downtown section of where we're at. Laurel is. It's a lot of bar.
Yeah, bar, restaurant.
A lot of bar, a lot of restaurants, a lot of hotels, and the strip.
Like a little town.
Oh, you want to get food?
Yeah, but not yet. You want to go to
No, that would be the last thing we do to go to the.
Yeah, that's true.
Look, you could get stuff here, fries. You hungry a little bit?
I'm hungry.
You want to check and see if you see anything else? What you want to do? You want to go look for a different place, or you want to go here? Let's go up there and then we'll come back down. If anything, we'll come back down there a little bit. You see something there that you want? Okay. So let's go up here first. And if you don't see anything better, then we'll come back down. This is a charter bus station. Oh, look at that. A tour bus. Yeah. A tour bus. Oh, coconut cakes. Okay.
What?
Yeah, you want a coconut cake?
Yeah.
Okay.
You know, I'm always up for coconut cake.
Okay. So you could get coconut cakes when you come back.
You know that.
There's a lot of shops here. Oh, burger. You get burger here. So I have to sit on a burger and beer. Well, I see no veggie burger, but I could have a beer. It's a lot of little stuff on the strip. Look at that pigeon. Something is wrong with that one. No gracias. You want that? You want to try that?
I would try that spot.
Okay, so let's do it.
It looks local.
You have, it's a lot of restaurants on this strip. Which spot you want to try, Stacey? Yeah.
The one down there looks like it has a lot
You want to go back to that one?
local food.
All right, let's go all the way up,
Yeah.
and then we come back down. Yeah, I might find something that you want. So I said I could buy you a bag right here. Huh? I could buy you a bag. It's a nice bag. Oh. Football jersey. What's that?
Hotel.
Hotel. Food. Football jersey. ¿Cuánto? 90,000.
Okay.
90,000. It's like the quality is not that great. What do you think? No. Okay. See the guy selling. He's selling my glasses. Even though I have one on, but that's not his.
My business. You
Yeah.
have 10 pairs.
All right. See here another place over here for food. Which one I want to try, sis? Yeah.
Market where you can get fruits.
You could get phone chargers, phone cases here. You could get all the stuff, little stuff that you want.
I want to go to a supermarket. I want to go
Add
to a market.
something.
We'll eat first and then we go to a supermarket after, okay?
What do you mean eat first?
Find some food.
Hotel here.
Oh, great.
Then.
So I guess this is like the Ip Strip. It's another nice restaurant over there, Stacey. Yeah. Salmon. So guys, we're trying to find something to eat, but there's so many different places, I guess they can't decide. So we're doing a little walking. Oh, avocado.
We'll waste too much money.
So we're still on the main strip trying to find something to eat. And the guy's selling leche. So look at, I guess they have a recording, they're selling their leche. Station is making a phone call, so we're just waiting to see if they make up their mind where they're gonna eat. Logan, find something over there that you wanted. Then so I see something that you wanted. So now I guess we're gonna walk the strip again to see if we find something that suit all of them. And Stacey and gonna want to find something as well. Very noisy though, a lot of music playing on all sides. So it's like a busy thoroughfare. We're in Laureles, yeah, that's what we stayed. And it's like 5-minute walks from here where our Airbnb is. So this is the main strip. So some vendors are packing up. It's only 2 in the afternoon, so I don't know. Got a restaurant. So yeah, we're definitely gonna try and find something to eat and then go to the supermarket to get stuff for the drinks and stuff like that for the kids to keep in the Airbnb. Because we're gonna be here for another week or so, so we need to have some stuff in the room for them to have a night snack and stuff like that. Sit down. Logan always in his phone, and look at Ramses, always missing the fun. He's taking a nice nap. Taking a nice nap. It's a good thing I have a stroller. Yesterday I had to lift him all the way up to Communal 13, all those steps, hundreds and hundreds of stairs I had to climb up. They just go on my back. See the Medellín sign. So it's aquí a todos flores. Satai, over here. Over here, my friend. See the flowers? This way, this way. Are you ready? Are you done with your phone call?
Yeah.
All right. What do you want to do now? Restaurant search?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I want local food. I was saying, remember when we were in, where were we? Oh, my birthday again. Where was the stuff that
Belize? In Belize?
I want something local.
Yeah, but this is not going to be local. This is going to be, this is on the strip. So you're not going to find anything local on this side. It could be local, but it's like tourist local, yeah? So what do you want to do? Music. If we had a babysitter, we could just leave the kids and come out here at night. You got to be a papa.
I know. That'd be fun.
Can't we just leave them at Logan?
I don't think so.
He's
They
16.
would have to be sleeping. No.
Logan, can I take your back? Oh, trust me, over here it's like, that's a babysitter. 16-year-old should be a babysitter. I was babysitting my niece and nephew when I was like
I was babysitting
5
way
years
before
old.
that.
So why can't we do that?
No, these
Oh, it's a nightclub right here. They're setting up for later. Or for the weekend. La disco. Oh. Hey, Stacey, and I might have to leave you and come to the disco later.
Yeah.
Just to check it out. Just to check it out. Just for research purpose.
Could I say something?
What do you want to say, Satai?
This place is full of pigeons.
Oh, full of pigeons?
I always have something to say.
Okay. Did we pass the place that you say you want to try?
They have sauce.
Look, they have burger here. Nobody's here, that means it's not popping.
Not as much necessarily.
Oh, well, that's what I judge stuff. Oh, you judge it.
They don't have any vegan options, but
No, it's alright. You guys could get stuff.
fries and
I'm sure they cook those fries in the same oil. You guys can get stuff, I'm fine. Hotel? What hotel? This is further than we walk on the other side. This is much further than we walk on the other side, so yes. You want to add so much for the jersey now, so it's a different price? Huh? Oh, that's right here. That's right here. We could go in there and check. Huh? So we're still on the restaurant search. No stoplight here, so we gotta cross this walkway. So I'm gonna have them get something over here to eat, and then I see a vegan restaurant that I'm gonna try. But when they have something, then I'll go back to the vegan restaurant.
Umbrellas.
I know, it's a lot of umbrellas. This is nice. That is nice. that's beautiful, Satai. That's beautiful.
Wall of me.
The umbrellas, all the umbrellas.
Oh yeah.
Look at all the umbrellas, Stacia. This is the one you say you wanted to try. This is the one, right? Was this the one? That they said they wanted to try. You want to try here a little bit? Okay, you want to try here? Okay. So you could have like lard for 4 people, eggs and stuff like that. You see? You could have like one combo, yeah. And it's for 4 people. You could have. But it's all stuff that you guys eat, so you guys could share it. Oh, let me see. We could bring the menu. Let's see. Okay, so I guess we settle in this place. Stacey is finding something to eat.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna let them eat, and then I'll find a vegan. I see a vegan place close by. I'm gonna have something there. I'm gonna beat the beef and the fries here, but they probably cook the fries with everything in the same oil. But look, something strange. The thing is that, like when you park your car, someone come up to you like here, right? And they will give you like a ticket, like that. And depends on how long you stay, they charge you per hour. So we pay like 3,600 per hour yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah, because we did like 2 hours for 6,000.
Right.
Yeah. So there is no parking meter, so the person will be there. So that's the place standing right there.
Yeah.
But that's a different one though.
Yeah, I know it's different.
And when you pull up your car, like you perambulate the block, and when you pull up your car, it will come and look at the time, and then they will print your receipt like a starting time kind of thing. You leave it in the car, and he'll be there when you come back, and then he'll charge you. And then he collect the money, like he collect the money from you cash, by the way, no credit card. So now he's putting out the thing, and he's putting it on that car now.
So he's probably giving them a ticket?
No, he's leaving it on that car.
Oh.
So when that car come back and ready to move, then he'll come back and get the money. But I'm saying, suppose you cut out, suppose you move without paying, how that goes. Unless you have you in the system. No gracia, mommy, no gracia. No gracia. And then you'll come back and collect from you. But it's all over, no parking thing. But you see the park zone sign there, so I guess that's indicative of what it is.
There was no parking sign when we went there.
No, yeah, we didn't see the parking sign. So I guess we settle on this place.
I think we can.
And I guess they just, it's like 3 p.m. now, so I guess they're setting up for the nightly rush kind of thing. So we're kind of early. So they're gonna have something, and then we'll probably go find someplace else for me to get something.
Yeah, we'll walk 8 minutes to your vegan spot.
It's 7 minutes. 7 minutes.
We'll walk 7 minutes.
All right, let's go order.
There's no.
Sin huevo.
Yeah.
So
Thank you,
we make
that's
an
it.
order. We finally got it. Finally. Finally got the order.
Alright. Thank you. Oh, ¿cuántos nuggets?
7.
I told you 7. 7 nuggets.
So, alright.
So this
So
will be
let's
right.
see if I like it. If this is okay, go
All right.
ahead. Maybe we'll order one more after.
Okay.
Alright. Okay.
79,700.
So we asked them if we have any vegetarian meal. They're like, no. This is a meat place.
79,700.
Okay.
It's a meat
Yep,
place.
okay now.
The food has arrived. Salsa?
Sauce?
Ketchup,
Yeah.
chili,
Ketchup, barbecue sauce.
ketchup.
Yeah. Wait, Ramses, you're gonna come on. Satai, pass one more chair. Ramses will come on.
The food has arrived, and Stacy and food is there. Logan, that's Logan here.
Oh, I thought it was big size. Satai, get that chair so Ramses can sit. He
That's
wants to
Logan.
get out. Where?
That's Stacy Ann. Oh, avocado is there. Huh?
Yeah, avocado beans.
Oh, Ramses will leave some of the
chicken nuggets.
Some chicken nuggets.
Check out the bag, let me wash your hands.
Everybody is having food but me. Wow.
Because they couldn't wait to get to the vegan spot. They're hungry now. Shut up, check out that.
It's a barbecue.
Barbecue. Okay. Oh, bueno.
Eso es ketchup.
Okay. Let me stop.
Ya no se utiliza
No,
acá.
sir. Oh, no, okay.
Eso
Okay.
lo quitaron por
Alright, thank you.
Okay.
ahorrarle el medio ambiente.
Okay, guys. Yeah. No straws here, so we gotta drink it.
Mommy, I didn't want this or this.
Okay, I'll take. Excuse me.
What do you need?
Can I get a empty one?
Oh, give me ocha.
Papa Miss.
Just a plate, yeah.
Just a plate.
Where's my phone?
Let me see. I think Logan was hungry. He is devouring that lasagna. He was like, oh, I'm eating that. Such I don't want all these mixtures. That's like what, cheese on top of something else,
Yeah,
right?
I don't know what it is, but since I don't want
But
it.
he's gonna have the nuggets and the fries. Look at it, Ramses. You want
I
nuggets?
want all the
You want fries? Yes?
We're gonna split it for you and Ramses. Ramses is getting
Ramses
closer.
getting
He's
closer
like,
to the
why am I
fries.
so far from
You
this?
want fries?
Wait, Ramses,
Okay.
you're gonna get it now.
You're gonna get fries.
Okay, do I eat now?
Pull up your chair closer.
Oh,
You want the juice? Wait, I'll pour some in your cup.
you want juice? Okay, you get some juice.
I must say this is good.
Where's it?
I don't remember what it's called, but it's a mixture of beans and sausage and fries with avocado.
I think you have pork there as well.
Pork too? Oh,
I think
God.
so, some sausages.
There's cheese.
Yeah. What do you want, Ramses?
But it's good.
Ramses don't want to drink out of his bottle. He want to drink out of the cup. Okay. Told him. You don't want to drink out of his bottle.
He loves the lemonade.
What do you see cup? You want to drink out of the cup.
He loves the lemonade.
Ramses, you only two, okay?
Half lamb?
Look at him looking at it.
It was originally satire.
Logan, you want to try some from this side?
Oh, Logan whipped that down
See, they
so
were hungry.
fast.
They couldn't wait for the
Oh,
vegan
they were
spot.
hungry. Oh my God. They were starving. Ramses, you're not hungry because you're not eating. What do you want? So guys, they all eat and full their belly, and then we walk into a vegan spot. It's like 1.7 kilo away, 25 minutes away or something like that. But
What we do
they
for...
just eat a lot of food so they could walk it off.
Yeah,
You could walk it off.
that's true.
It's not time to walk.
You have to walk down there.
Oh. Give me your hands. No. It's only for turning.
Yeah.
This is a busy thoroughfare. They're like, he's in the back there like, save me from this bus. Logan, say hi. Logan, say hi. Say hi. You know, Logan don't talk much, say him. Yeah. Give me your hands. Logan, I'm gonna let you do the vlogging from now on, okay? Logan, I'll let you do the vlogging. It's a nice tour bus.
It would be ASMR if Logan does it.
It's a nice tour bus. And we're gonna let Logan vlog, and it's gonna be ASMR vlog. Because Logan don't talk much. Only to his friend when he playing video game, but he never want to be on a vlog. He will be in it, but not to say anything on it. He just like, yes, no. Right, Logan? It's a entire strip of restaurant and music. You know, Sakai don't want to all this time, so they want to do it on his own.
Yep.
We're still walking on Carrera 70. I think we're halfway there. We have 14 minutes left. Of course, we're going very slow. But on this strip is like a lot of different bars and restaurants and casino and hotels. It's very clean, I would say. Right, Stacey?
What?
You would say it's very clean?
Yes.
It's very clean down here.
It's fairly clean. It's not bad. I think it's fairly clean.
Okay, it's fairly clean.
Yeah.
And the smell, okay, right?
Yeah, it's nice.
Not a lot of garbage, right? But a lot of shops, a lot of cocktails. It's early evening now, so I guess it's not time for the party yet. Or it's time to set up for party?
Time to set up.
Okay. A lot of bars. Sure, these trips be popping at night. Something that Stacey and I'm not gonna get to partake in, but I will. I'll be in the
We're gonna
strip.
leave the kids with Logan, like you said earlier.
Oh,
I'm just
okay.
kidding.
Why can't we go to this restaurant?
Maybe we'll just have to find another restaurant.
Alright, wait. That is coming.
You see another place to like
Alright, come. Oh, it smells like fishes there.
yeah, that's what I said. No, I fish. Ramses, why you took off?
Guys, after half an hour, we finally find this place. So, let's see, gotta be good. Vegan? Okay. You walk.
Wait, this is a place?
30 minutes to get here. Carrera 30 minutes to get here.
This is the place?
Vegan, todos, right? Todo vegan.
Daddy, this is the place?
It's gotta be good, because we walk a long way to get here. So let's see. Hey guys, so I ordered the traditional PSR rice, and it comes with lentil, vegan chorizo, and ripe plantain. And I'm gonna try the coconut lemonade. Stacey and them had food already, so they're only gonna try my lemonade.
What?
So it's a little cozy spot back here. It's off the main drag, so it's like 30 minutes you take to get here from the main strip. So it's a long walk to get here.
That was so long.
This food better be good.
I should get
Better
something
be good.
here because you know
Yeah.
I walk off all the food I ate already.
It's a lot of walking to get here, and it's not a lot of seat taken here. We're the only one here, so that means there's not a lot of vegan come in here. So let's see what it tastes like. Because yesterday we went and get vegan, and it was okay.
That spot was more popular.
It was more popular, but the food wasn't that great. Yeah, I think the falafel was too dry.
Yeah,
The pasta was okay.
It could use some more salt.
The burger was it was okay too. Like I would give it like a 7 out of 10. And the falafel was like a 2 out of 10. It was too dry. It was like cardboard.
You know, normally when you get the falafel, they have that special sauce.
Yeah, and there was like no sauce and stuff like that. So, but this is like in a residential kind of neighborhood we're at now. And this little spot here,
Barbershop next door.
it's a barber shop over there, so it's inside.
That barber shop can give me a home.
And oh, mango tree. I always spot the mango tree. It's in blossom right now. There's no mango for sure.
Oh, there's a bus.
And the bus. Yeah. These buses are all so colorful down here though.
Exactly.
All this stuff are very colorful. Very colorful. And you get empanada in here. I'll probably take a couple of those to go.
Yeah.
Right? I should take some empanada to go, right? Right, Ramses?
Yeah.
Yes? Okay, Ramses approved. So we'll do that. I see no one here charging for these guys to park. Yeah.
That area was more of like
Yeah, touristy kind of thing.
upscale.
Yeah, this is more like where people live and stuff like that. Well, shops and everything is here too, but
Can you book them?
so I'm trying the Coco de Lemon Natural, but it still tastes a little like soda-y. So I guess the lemon is probably acidic. Okay. So it's like the carbonated drinks, the coconut lemon flavor. So this is what it is. So it's carbonated. So we take the food to go because Stacy and
I have to go back.
have to go back.
Why?
And our battery is dying. We have battery, but she need her
my
phone.
battery's dead.
She need her phone for life and
I
death.
just need my phone.
So
Because my phone is...
so everyone is dying. We didn't bring the extended charge, and all of our everybody else's phone is fine, but her phone is dying, so we got to go back. She need to go on the computer, so we're going back to the hotel, to the Airbnb, and then we come back out later to go to the supermarket when the restriction for the car is lifted. Like for what, 8 p.m. I think we should be good by 8 p.m. Good. Bueno. Bien, bien. Oh, okay. Tranquilo. Wow.
I remember this place now.
He asked me to do it. He asked me to do it. He's living there like with this girl. Like, yeah. Oh, we go straight. Actually, you was on the right side, Stacey. Yeah,
I remember.
Yeah. So I apologize. I tell you to stay on this side, but you're on the right side. So guys, we're finally back. The Airbnb is over there. I didn't try the food as yet, so we don't know if it's gonna be good. But we did try the Coca lemon juice. We tried that one. That was alright. The coconut lemon.
I already tried
I don't know what the
it. It
food
was
is
so
like,
good.
but it's getting dark, so we're gonna close out this vlog.
So tired. I had my exercise for 3 days.
We walked like
More
6
than 3
miles.
days. I think we walked like 2 hours.
Yeah, we walked like
So
6
that's
miles.
4 days
Yeah.
worth of exercise. So I'm done for the week.
A good 6 miles worth of walking. So
Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you
Can I
enjoyed.
say something?
say what you want to say.
I always want to say something.
Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel and like and comment, and see you next time in the early morning tomorrow.
Yes, we have an early morning tomorrow. Yes. Bye-bye.
All right, bye now.
Sometimes it's crazy.
Thank you for watching our show. Please subscribe and see you next time. Bye.
Sit tired.
That's enough videos.